Take mixing to a whole new level of professional performance and cordless convenience with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand mixer. 5 variable speeds with LED display controls allow you to perform any mixing task quickly and efficiently with a quick 2-hour charge for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. The compact yet powerful mixer has removable beaters for whipping cream, beating eggs, mixing batter, and more. The rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery won't lose its charge over time and is powerful enough to work through cookie dough. A 3-foot removable USB cable port allows you to move around the kitchen with ease. When the hand mixer is not in use, the heel rest allows the mixer to rest upright. Create delectable breakfast, desserts, and crowd-pleasing sides with the textured grip handle, which creates stress-free comfort and control during mixing. The removable beaters are dishwasher safe and designed with no center post to prevent ingredients from clogging up the beaters. Enjoy the ease of cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless hand mixer.
Introducing the Breville Hand Mixer with HeatSoft technology. With Breville Hand Mixer, there's no wait to bake. Innovative HeatSoft technology allows you to soften cold butter while mixing in one simple step. By using gentle warm air, the Breville Hand Mixer quickly brings cold butter to room temperature. The key to fluffier results is using room temperature butter. Using cold or melted butter can affect the quality of your recipes. Using melted butter results in baked goods that are too flat and deflated, but softened room temperature butter is just right for making fluffy baked goods. And now you can do it faster with the power of HeatSoft technology. The Breville Hand Mixer softens butter 12 times faster, so there's no wait to bake. The versatile 7-speed control allows you to handle any type of mixture, and the Boost Power button gives you the extra boost needed when tackling especially thick mixtures. An easy eject button makes for quick and convenient cleanup, and the removable magnetic nozzle is dishwasher safe. Elevate your baking with the Breville Hand Mixer with HeatSoft technology.
Speed hand mixer makes mixing a treat. From tasty desserts to special dinners, slide the mechanical control for 5 available speeds. The DC motor is packed with power, making the KitchenAid 5-speed hand mixer a perfect solution for everyday mixing. 2 stainless steel turbo beater accessories are designed to virtually eliminate buildup. And cleanup? So simple. Nobody knows the kitchen like KitchenAid.
Black & Decker Performance Helix Premium Hand Mixer is an innovation in everyday mixing. The exclusive spiral design with reinforced nylon construction provides durability and offers more surface area to mix ingredients fast. The Helix beaters outperform traditional Black & Decker wire beaters by maximizing overlap and mixing ingredients in multiple directions. It's perfect for cake batter, cookie dough, mashed potatoes, spreads, toppings, and more. Plus, included mixing accessories for easy whisking and kneading dough. 5 speed settings handle all types of mixing with a slower starting speed to prevent messy splatters and a turbo boost at every speed for tough tasks. When it's time for cleanup and storage, the dishwasher-safe mixing accessories fit nicely in the snap-on storage case. The Helix hand mixer's innovative design delivers premium performance to make mixing fast and easy. That's the difference with Black & Decker.